What's up, guys and gals? This is Roy from Roy's Customs, and I got a little bit of a review for you here today. I've got this Bondo Professional Fast Dry Body Filler. I'm just going to get right to the point. It performs very well. It's a little bit thinner, so it actually spreads much smoother. It does actually dry. You can sand it in 15 minutes, mixed properly. It works really well. I have to say that I've never used it until today. I was working on my body kit for my car, and it honestly works really well. And it sands really good. It hardens very well. Other than the fact that it's a little more expensive, I don't have really anything bad to say about it. Also, the main reason that I got it was because, one, I've been wanting to try other stuff. I mean, I've used higher end stuff, but I never used the Bondo brand higher end stuff, and being as I had a $20 reward at AutoZone, I went ahead and I grabbed a can of this. It was like $12.99, but it was free with my AutoZone's reward. So anyways, I just wanted to kind of put that out there for a little bit of a review on it, what I think about it. It performs very well, spreads really smooth, it still stays where you put it. So anyways, if you're looking for some pretty good body filler and you don't want to spend a whole lot of money, but you want something better than base Bondo brand, this is pretty good stuff. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hit like if you liked the video, hit dislike if you didn't like the video. Feel free to hit the notifications and subscribe if you want to, and have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.